Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and test the Anker PowerPort Mini dual-port USB charger. So let's go ahead and open up the box. So this is a USB wall charger with two USB ports for charging any USB connected device. And now let's go ahead and open up the box. But of course, cutting apart the clear sticky seal that's keeping the box lid securely closed. And pulling out the inner box and making sure nothing else is left behind, and I can actually see that there is a card still inside the box, and that's now out. We can now set the box to the side. Let's set it on the right hand side of the frame. And moving on, and neatly organizing the contents from the box across the tabletop, and you can see the Anker PowerPort Mini dual port USB charger. So it is a compact wall charger. Let's pop it out from its tray, and making sure, checking on the underside to ensure that nothing is left behind. And setting the packaging to the side, and setting the wall charger down, and in the middle of the frame. So once again, you have a clearer look at the contents of this unboxing. Okay, so let's start off by taking a quick look at this card here. So there is a happy, not happy card, and let's open it up. So there is some customer contact or support contact details for Anker. And now setting that down and to the right hand side of the frame. Moving on, we have what appears to be the user manual for the PowerPort Mini dual port USB charger. Just to show you the thickness of this user manual. Now let's open it up. So it folds open or expands across over several panels, and giving you a close-up look for your reference. And as you can see, several languages are covered in this user manual for the PowerPort Mini dual port USB wall charger. And on the reverse side, you can see the other languages as it continues across the other panels. Okay, so we can now set the user manual down, and let's set it together along with the rest of the items on the right hand side of the frame. And moving on, we have the PowerPort Mini USB charger itself, and it is packaged in a translucent wrapper. Let's remove it from the wrapper, and you can see just how small this USB charger is. So it does have the UK or British 3-pin plug. And of course, being a dual port USB charger, it does have two ports right there and just giving you a sense of the size and scale and perspective of this PowerPort Mini wall charger resting in the palm of my hand. So it is quite a compact unit. And this one has a glossy white finish, as you can see. High gloss on the main body of this dual port USB wall charger. And taking a close-up look on the underside of this PowerPort Mini dual port USB charger, there are some specifications and certifications. So this dual port USB charger has Power IQ, which is an Anker technology for providing an optimum charge for whichever USB device you connect to this wall charger. And also it does have multi-protect, which prevents any damage to any of your connected devices and even to the wall charger itself. So once again, giving you an idea of the size of this very, very small dual port USB charger. So it is a rather tough unit as well, as you can hear as I tap away on the main body of the charger. Once again, it is a very, very, very small USB charger with two Type A USB ports. Okay, so now let's test it out, but of course connecting it to a power outlet. So over here I have a master plug USB surge extension lead, which I unboxed very, very recently on the channel, so you can always look it up. So it also does have two built-in USB charging ports right there with a combined 2.1 amperes, whereas this Anker PowerPort Mini does have a combined current of 2.4 amperes, so a slightly higher output. And let's plug it in. Into one of the four sockets right there. And of course, I do have a Sony Xperia XZ3 Android smartphone, which I've unboxed on the channel before, and it's protected by a Bling's carbon fiber effect slim TPU case, which I've also unpacked on the channel before, so you can always look up those videos by doing a search on each channel. Okay, so let's connect it to the wall charger using this cable, which is also an Anker product. This is the Anker Powerline Plus USB-C to USB 3.0 cable, which I've also unboxed on the channel before. So let's plug in the USB-C end into the Sony Xperia XZ3 smartphone there, and then plugging the Type A end into the Anker PowerPort Mini dual port USB charger, and you can hear that chime come out from the phone as soon as I plug the cable in. And just giving you a close-up look at both the phone as well as the dual port USB charger. So you can see that the Sony Xperia XZ3 Android smartphone is charging away happily there, being charged by the Anker PowerPort Mini dual port USB charger. And you can see that there is no LED status indicator light on this very compact dual port USB wall charger. So a completely discreet operation from this very small unit of a 2-port USB wall charger. So that's the Anker PowerPort Mini dual port USB wall charger. Thanks for watching and happy charging!